Nestled in the heart of Ohio between the bustling cities of Cleveland and Akron lies a hidden gem, Cuyahoga Valley National Park. This tranquil retreat stretching along the scenic Cuyahoga River offers a peaceful escape from the city, with plenty to explore for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. One of the park's most iconic treasures is Brandywine Falls, a breathtaking 60-foot waterfall. Accessible via a well-maintained boardwalk, the falls provide a stunning view of nature's power and beauty. The cascading water draws visitors year-round, making it a must-see destination for anyone exploring the park. For those who prefer a more immersive experience, Birdwatching, the Brandywine Gorge Loop, a 1.4-mile trail, offers a deeper connection to this lush environment. Alternatively, the 1.5-mile Stanford Trail takes you further into the park's scenic beauty, both starting from the nearby parking lot. However, be mindful during peak hours, typically from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., the falls can get crowded and parking fills up quickly. To make the most of your visit, try to come early and enjoy the serenity of Brandywine Falls before the crowds arrive. Whether you're here to admire the falls, hike the trails, or simply take in the fresh air, Cuyahoga Valley National Park offers a refreshing escape into nature. Don't forget to stop at Brandywine Falls. It's truly one of Ohio's most beautiful natural wonders. We hope you make the most of your time in this incredible park and experience the majesty of Brandywine Falls for yourself.